Yeah. It's young boy Roy, man. I got my homie, Fizzy. Ooh. I wanna leave, we wanna leave, yeah, yeah. All of the things that is happening, yeah. It's reality, this heart is not clean. But God don't please, clean up all these things, yeah, yeah. Ooh, they gotta know what I do, we run up in the show. Let's put it low, said that he can't clean up what he will, yeah, yeah. People are dying, people are quiet, all of this happen because of the money. Our government is taking the funny thing. Africa, we a family.
Don't you know? Don't you know? Talking about a revolution. Man, I'm ready. Man, I'm ready. Don't you know? Revolution.
I don't know what they going know. I said they water full of blow. All I was is I never said I go. I can never make kill this blow. Fire last to the woman say no. Somebody still man in this show. Yeah, we are the stoppers and the fabric stuff because of this thing. It's time to a fight. Run out our boss and the sister I died. If we can say hey, you need to a country. All of the cat that we get our country. We are the stop man, other than Friday. I'm ready for the new thing. Ready for the revolution. And boy, is telling you there. You better stop what you were doing.
Don't you know? Don't you know? Talking about a revolution. Man, I'm ready. Man, I'm ready. Don't you know? Revolution. Don't you know? Don't you know? Talking about a revolution. Man, I'm ready.